What up? It's your boy Backwoods BowTie in the house. We're about to jump right into Little Wyte and Jelly Roll, Break the Knob Off, from the No Filter album. Badass motherfucking song right here, guys. You gotta check out this video, alright? Hopefully y'all can see it. Bear with me. Backwoods ain't got the most legit setup yet, but I'm working with what I got, you know what I'm saying? This is a good damn song, y'all. Gets me hot.
I don't
want to blow y'all away, but I might want to turn this up a little bit.
Wyte, get up, man. Y'all late. For what? We've been calling y'all all day.
Alright, y'all.
Let's go. It's big time. It's a video, man.
Come on, Jelly, get the fuck up. Come on, Little Wyte. We waiting on you. Chiquito Blanco ese. Fucking Jelly Donut, okay? Y'all gonna make me burn damn cigarettes for y'all ever get started. But I will tell you, it's fucking worth it though. Well, I hope y'all enjoy. Come on, Little Wyte, wake the fuck up. Okay, show's about to start. Thank you for coming. Shit, I better go get some popcorn and goddamn beer or something.
Nah, man, he does this all the time. Okay?
Oh shit, I'm hooked.
Fuck it, man. Help me
That's
get him.
colder. I can't go.
Break the knob off. Ain't no turning down. Ain't no turning down. Ain't no turning down. Ain't no turning down. Break the knob off. Ain't no turning down. Ain't no turning down. Ain't no turning down. Ain't no turning down. For what? For what? For what? For what? For what? For what? Ain't no turning down. For what? For what? For what? For what? For what? For what? Ain't no turning down. I'm turned up to the maximum. Liquor flowing, kush blowing. OG Wyte is what we smoking. Michigan is where it's growing. Popped another half a bar. Now I am an animal. Looking for a freak to eat. Tonight I am a cannibal. Two mollies, orange juice. I'm loose cause I'm on ground and goose. I'm super tripping. Vision blurry. I barely know what I should do. My heart is pumping. Pupils vibrating back and forth inside my head. I still go harder than most of the people I know. And I know I should be dead on the other side of the galaxy. I'm sitting on Jupiter's moon. I'm out my fucking mind high. And I ain't coming down no time soon. Shout out to Juicy J cause he just passed me in the flying saucer. Knob is broken over my right shoulder is where I just tossed her. Break the knob off. Ain't no turning down. Ain't no turning down. Ain't no turning down. Ain't no turning down. Break the knob off. Ain't no turning down. Ain't no turning down. Ain't no turning down. Ain't no turning down. For what? For what? For what? For what? For what? For what? Ain't no turning down. For what? Yeah. For what? For what? For what? For what? Ain't no turning down.
Hit the club and turn it up. Throw that bag and burn a blunt. It's hot as fuck up in this club. I swear to God I'm burning up. I'm on my level. I'm high as fuck. Wake up in the morning feeling like I got hit by a truck. Yeah, bitch, you know that this is what I do. I popped another molly, now I'm on my way to Blue. I'm bouncing through the club with my middle fingers up singing. If you don't give a damn, we don't give a fuck. I got people over here, I got people over there. Start a ride in this bitch. Fuck around and throw a chair. Will you beat him to the floor in the club?
I sure will.
And I did it with
No deal, total, bitch. Fuck that shit up, bro. Turn down for what?
Down, ain't no turning down, ain't no turning down, ain't no turning down. Break the knob off. Ain't no turning down, ain't no turning down, ain't no turning down, ain't no turning down. For what? For what? For what? For what? For what? For what? Ain't no turning down. For what? For what? For what? For what? For what? For what? Ain't no turning down.
Alright, y'all. That was Lil Wyte, Jelly Roll. Fucking Break the Knob Off, man. It's a fucking great song, man. Heard that a couple years ago. I was at work. We were aerating some lawns. We had, I don't know, fucking 10, 12 acres to do that day. Let's just say me and the guy were working, and we break the knob off. And we just look at each other and be like, you ready? Fucking break that knob off. We just, and tell you, boy, we broke some backs. We got some shit done now. Alright, y'all. Hope y'all like Bumping with Backwoods. Go ahead, like, subscribe. Check out Lil Wyte. Check out Jelly Roll. There's my man Upchurch. I don't know what the fuck he's doing here. He always fucking finds his way. Make appearance anywhere I'm at. Whether it's in the radio or on the video. Motherfucker's always RHEC-ing his way around the motherfucker. Raising hell, eating cornbread and shit. Alright, motherfuckers. Backwoods is out.